Hello guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, we're going to show you how to turn off Ford Explorer interior lights. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, if you're looking for a way to basically turn off your Ford Explorer interior lights here, there are going to be a few things that you could try. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and go inside your Ford Explorer, and you want to go ahead and look for your overhead overhead console. Now in here, it should look or something similar to this one. So you should see a number of buttons. So you see here, as you can see, we have a lamp here that you could basically press. Now you could go ahead and press each of the buttons here to turn off either the interior lights, the map lights, or in this case, other of lights that you could also access on your Ford Explorer. Now, usually this is where it's going to be located, but I could also look at the sides of your wheel or driver's side here. You could go ahead and look for this section, and usually you should see an option to turn off lights as well, just in case you don't see any here. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.